Je veux aller en Espagne, décidément à Bilbao, parce que j'aime beaucoup la ville de Bilbao. Et si prête à Dieu, comme on le dit, c'est que je vais pouvoir être hôtelier, parce que j'ai envie de faire dans l'hôtellerie. Et quelquefois, aller en France, si je peux, puisque je me bats un peu dans l'interprétation, interpréter dans des cabarets, je sais pas. Bimba mutula moto nye pon maladie. Budun bwe barita. Oasitembo sami mimbo mitumbe. Piala bodun mwende bonam.
They cannot give you a place to stay. And we live in the bush. In the bush where animals stays, different kind of animals. That is where we live.
But I can't stay here in Morocco. But if I have something doing outside begging, I have work here, no problem. If I have something doing, no need of going to Europe, I might stay.
Je vais prendre un grand risque, mais déjà quand je sors de mon pays, c'est déjà un risque dont ce n'est plus trop étonnant. Je vais essayer par la voie maritime, par l'eau.
The police, they are hectic. They are bad because reason why they come down to the forest, arrest people, beat up people, take them down to the police, steal our money, steal our phones, steal our foodstuffs, our clothes, burn them, then take us to the station, deport us back to whatever they call it, Ujla. They deport us down to the frontier between Morocco and Algeria.
Yes, we are being harassed by the police and also by bandits. The police issue on it. They'll come very early in the morning, chasing us around the bush, that we should leave their country. The bandit, once they see money on you, they will attack you, collect the money. And along the line, they will use knife, cutlass on you.
But I don't want to stay in Europe. I just 3 years in Europe. I'm not coming to Europe to stay. 3 years I'm going to spend in Europe to make small money, go back to my country. Then after that, I'll start up my life.
I'm waiting for the boats because it's through boats we get to Europe, through the Zodiac. That's what we use to go to Europe.
Constamment, nous sommes au courant, mais il y a des bateaux qui chavirent, tout le monde qui meurt, il y a des gens qui reviennent. Des trucs comme ça, on les entend chaque jour, mais ça n'empêche pas que j'ai toujours espoir, quoi. Balalo kwalat nandembe de balalo de nomba abrodalo hindiba pungu nandembe pia la vodun mwende bonam.